Hello and welcome to Testing Shastra. This is Avinash, and in this video we are going to talk about how we can download and install JDK 8 in Windows 10 operating system. So to install the JDK 8 we just have to download the JDK from its official website, that is oracle.com. So for that I'll simply go to the Google and search download JDK. So once I search, I will get this very first link of the official website of JDK, that is oracle.com, and I'll simply click on it. Once I click on that particular link, I'll be landing on this page where I can see several different options over here. So depending on the type of operating system you are working on, you have to select the relevant package. So now I'm working on the Windows operating system, a 64-bit Windows operating system. That is why I will select this one. But if you don't know that how much bits your operating system does have, so how you will check that what bit of operating system you have, 32 or 64? So simply go to start menu and type DXDIAG. Okay, after hitting enter you will start seeing one window like this where you will see system information. Under system information you will see operating system, where I have Windows 10 Pro 64-bit operating system installed. So I'll select the Windows 64-bit version of JDK and I'll simply click on this link. Once I click on this link, a pop-up will appear. On this pop-up you have to select this checkbox and just click on download JDK. Remember, you have to create an account on oracle.com. If you do not have created any account, then I'll suggest to go here and click on create account. Then you might see a form over here like this. In this form, fill up all the necessary details and simply hit create account. Once you hit create account, you will receive an verification email, okay, on the email ID that you have provided over here. Okay, so I'll recommend to go to your email and verify your email ID, and then you can log into the Oracle's official site. Okay, now I'm considering that you already have an account. Okay, and let us log into our account. Let us provide some necessary details like username. So this is my username and I'll simply type the password and I'll click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see that the JDK 1.8 has started downloading and you will receive the copy of JDK 1.8. Whereas I already have this JDK 1.8 downloaded over here. Now let us see how we can install it. We are done with the download part. Now simply right click on this and run as administrator. Okay, do not directly double click it, because sometimes what happens is your system doesn't receives the administrator access for Java what you are installing. So I'll recommend to right click and then select run as administrator. So simply click on yes, and this kind of window will appear where you have to click on next, and then it is asking to save your Java at particular location. So by default your location is C, program files, Java, and then JDK. So it will create a Java folder in your C drive program files folder. If you want to change this directory, obviously you can change it by clicking on this change button and select whatever folder you want over here. But I'm going to install the Java at the default location itself. Simply click on next. Okay, so it is saying that click change to install Java to different folder. So I'll simply click on to next. So let us wait for the process to finish. And that's it. Your Java is successfully installed. Okay, and now you can close this window. Okay, now let us check that whether our Java is installed or not. So simply click on start and type cmd. Okay, and here we need to type Java hyphen version. Okay, and just hit enter. So once you hit enter, you can see this kind of information appearing over here. Okay, and your Java is successfully installed. If you don't see this kind of message, then probably you need to set an environment variable. So let us see how we can set environment variable. So click on your start and type environment. Okay, simply type environment and you will see this option, edit the system environment variable. Double click on it. Okay, and this window will appear. So in this window, click on environment variables and under system variables search for path variable here and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can find the different options over here. Okay, so you need to paste the path of Java, okay, which we have already installed. Okay, so let us see that where our Java is installed. So under C drive, program files, Java, and here our Java is installed. There are two folders, JDK and JRE, whereas we need the path of JDK, that is Java Development Kit. Okay, so let us go inside this folder and we need the path of this bin folder. Why? Because the Java command resides inside this bin folder, Java and JavaC both. Okay, so we need to introduce our Java to the Windows operating system so that they will handshake with one another and they will know each other. Okay, so I'll simply copy this path from here and go to our environment variable, and here I'll paste it and simply click on OK, 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 and we are done. So again, whatever windows you have earlier opened, please close them. Okay, and open a fresh window, command prompt from here. Once I open the command prompt, simply type Java C and then, or maybe Java and space -version. That's it, and boom, you can see the Java is already installed over here. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.